Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! For today's episode, I will be making another holiday dish. It is also served during special occasions in the Philippines. This is pork asado. If you are not eating pork, no worries! You can also replace with a whole chicken to look more festive. If you want to know how I make this yummy-licious asadong baboy, this is a holiday dish in the Philippines. Please continue watching and I will show you how I do it. Smells good! Let's start by marinating the clean pork shoulder. Season with pepper, soy sauce, pineapple juice, minced garlic. I also added sweet pickle relish and marinate at least 1 hour or better overnight.
The next day,
In a pan, put oil followed by the margarine or butter, then saute the garlic until aromatic, then add the shallots or any onion that you have. Season with crushed pepper and saute also the aromatics like bay leaves and star anise. After a good saute of the aromatics, add the marinated pork shoulder with the marinated liquid. Add also the seasoning like hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, the paprika, the confectionery palm sugar or panutsa, the liquid seasoning, and lastly, the chicken broth. I also added additional 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, then braise the pork shoulder for 30 minutes. When the pork shoulder mixture is starting to simmer, set the heat to the lowest setting and braise the pork shoulder around 30 minutes to an hour.
after 30 minutes,
After 30 minutes, I check the pork and it's not yet tender, so I continue cooking for another 30 minutes in slow cooking.
after 1 hour of braising the pork,
Tender now. When the pork shoulder is already tender, I remove the pork shoulder to the sauce. And I prepare cast iron pan to sear the pork in order to achieve the browning effect. Yum! Here's the seared pork shoulders, set aside before slicing. Let's thicken the sauce of the asado. I taste first to improve more the flavors of the sauce. And to balance its sweetness, I added big dash of chili flakes, salt and pepper according to your taste.
I'm gonna put it everything.
Turn off. And then few drops of sesame oil. Okay? After the sauce already thickened, based on your own preference of thickness of your sauce, using a strainer, strain all the sauteed aromatics in order to have a smooth sauce on top of your pork asado. This sauce is also good for siopao. If you're making siopao. And do the same steps when storing the rest of the asado sauce. Then slice thinly the seared pork asado that we set aside and top with this yummy asado sauce and sprinkle with green onions. Guys, this is yummy dish, good for all special occasions. Okay, let's taste this yummy-licious asado dish. Choose the fatty part of the pork, like belly, pork shoulder, or pork butt. It's best to make asadong baboy. Good! If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and please consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching! Happy holidays!